Hello students of 9th class, this is Shruti. Today I'll discuss with you your chapter 2 of civics. Your chapter is what is democracy, why democracy. This is part 3 video. You have to watch this video very carefully. Let's start. Now the topic is why democracy. There is a debate on democracy. You have to read this debate very carefully yourself. Alright? And you have to now think about democracy, both sides, merit and demerits. Now, argument against democracy. If you will think about against democracy, you will find in democracy nothing but all about political competitions and power play. Alright? In democracy, leaders keep changing again and again in 5 years. Okay? Democracy leads to corruptions, for it is based on electoral competitions. Elected leaders don't know the best interest of the people. Now what the result? Result is bad decisions. Alright? Now arguments for democracy. When you will think in favor of democracy, you will find some points like a democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. Accountable, that means responsible, and democracy gives better decisions power. Second point will be thus the democracy improves the quality of decision making. That means here representative helps in decision making in the Lok Sabha. Now third one is democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. Alright? Fourth one is democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Now finally you will find democracy is better than other form of government because it allows us to correct its own mistake. Okay, in duration of 5 years. Alright. Now the broader meaning of democracy. There is, you will find celebration of democracy, celebration of 50 glossary years. That means it completes 50 years of independence. That's why they are celebrating. Here you will find in modern democracy a very large number of people are involved, and so it's physically not possible for them to sit together and take to a collective decisions. That's why democracy is better. Even if they could, the citizens does not have the time, the desire or the skill to take part in all the decisions. That's why democracy is better than other form of government. Alright? If you will. Now you have to understand one thing only. True democracy will arrive to this country only when no one goes to hungry to bed. Alright? Then you will get true democracy in the country. Alright? Now your chapter has done. You have to try to solve your exercise questions. Alright? Okay, then stay home, stay safe, take care.